Welcome back. I'm here at the store selecting the yarn for my new project. I hope you like it. I'm excited to share with you this easy blanket tutorial. All you need is these two different kind of yarn and pair of scissors and a crochet hook. I'm following the recommended size of hook that the label says. So let's get started. The first thing to do will be to do a slip knot. You have to wrap around the yarn in your fingers like this. Insert the hook underneath, pull it through, pull the tail and also the working yarn to make the knot. And then we can start making the first stitch, which will be the chains. For this size of throw blanket, I to at least do 100 chains. That will determine the width of your throw blanket. But you can measure the size that you want and kind of like start from then on. As I said, the chains are going to determine the width of your blanket, so it's up to you what size you want to do. For my throw blanket, I'm going to do 100 chains all total, and at the end of my 100 chains, I'm going to start making half double crochet. Let me show you how. So on the third chain, counting right here, you're gonna yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn through. Now you have 3 loops, and then you yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. Let's do one more. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn through. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull the yarn through all 3 loops. One more. Pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. And we're gonna continue making half double crochet until we reach the end of our row, and that's going to complete our first set of half double crochet. Now, very important is to grab the last chain in here, insert the hook, and do your last half double crochet for your first row. Now we're gonna do 2 chains up, and then we're gonna turn around to continue making half double crochet just like this. We're gonna repeat the same process. We're gonna continue making half double crochet, but let me show you now how you're gonna be doing your stitches. You yarn over, and now you're going to insert the hook between your half double crochet, just like this. Let me show you again. You see, right now, you can just easily see the opening between the half double crochet you made already right here. Making the half double crochet this way, the process is so much easier and faster. We're gonna continue making half double crochet until we reach the end of this row, and then we're going to also chain 2 to then start a new row, just like we did with this one. And I'm going to repeat this same process 12 times. I'm going to do 12 rows of this color, and then I'm going to switch to ivory. Okay, so let me just finish it up and show you how to switch the color. Switching the color is just simple. Grab the new color with your hook and pull it through. Not all the way through though. Make sure that you leave a long tail to secure it after. Just like this. Now to secure it, we're going to make a knot or two. I'm going to make 2 knots to secure it better. And the next thing to do now is to do the 2 chains to start the new row and continue making half double crochet like you see here. I already moved forward with the ivory color. Let me show you now how to finish the row. Instead of putting the hook here between the stitches, you're gonna do it on top of the stitch, just like this. This is the only time you do the half double crochet, inserting the hook on the top of the stitch at the end of your rows. What this is going to make is that it's going to give you a better and straight line on the edge of your blanket. For the rest of the time, you continue to do your half double crochet, inserting the hook in between the stitches. So just continue doing the same thing, putting the hook in between the stitches like you've been doing. Like I said, the only time you do it differently is at the end of your rows. Okay, so let's continue making all of them. So I'm going to continue making half double crochet with the ivory color. I'm going to also make 12 rows of ivory, just like I did with the mustard color. And I'm going to continue this pattern over and over again until I achieve the length of the blanket that I want. In this case, I decided to do 3 sections of the mustard color and 2 of the ivory. So I'll meet you at the end when I'm done with all of them. And now I'm done with the blanket. Let me show you how to finish it. I already cut the yarn and I'm going to pull it through at the last stitch I made, and I'm going to weave in the tail just like this, grabbing my hook, pulling the yarn through. I'm going to start hiding the tail through the stitches on the back. I cut the tail pretty long. I just want to make sure that it's secure enough. I made this blanket for someone very special and I want to make sure that it's secure. And that's all it is. Just have to hide all your tails now and cut the yarn and you'll be done. I really enjoy making this blanket. It was so relaxing and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial also, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.